Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ivana Brooke, and if you are new, hey boo, how are you? So if this is your first time seeing a video of me, I'm glad this is the one because this is what I'm all about. I love skincare. Skincare is my jam. It's my favorite part of beauty, and it's probably the thing that I've just put my most time and effort into. Is definitely my skin more than anything. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and can take away a few tips. So I hope that this is helpful for you guys that have oily combo skin. I do follow a bit of a Korean skincare routine. I'm not too strict with it as far as every single step, every single day. But this is what I do as far as exfoliating my skin. I do this maybe 2 times a week, sometimes only 1. Just feel my skin, see what it needs, and do what feels right. But this is kind of what I've been using and the start of my skincare journey with a spin brush. I purchased a spin brush and I've been using it for about a week and a half now. The purging process has begun on my face. I'll lean in and show you, and I'll also show you what my acne was like before I even started the spin brush. And so I did start purging, but before my skin looks so good, and it still does have like a radiance to it. But of course it is breaking out, and I'm also breaking out due to my period. But I thought I'd still do the skincare routine, make it realistic, because I will be doing plenty of these anyways. About a spin brush I've been using. I meant to buy the Vandy Planet spin brush, but this is what I got sent as the ultimate spin kit. So I just wanted to start a little diary about how using a spin brush has been helping my skin and just my new exfoliation routine. So basically this is what I've been doing a few nights a week. I try not to over exfoliate. I try to be pretty good about that. But if I would have makeup on, I would use a makeup wipe. I have a little bit of lipstick on, so I'll take it off just to show you. Alright, and then after this I would use my micellar water. This is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. It's just the blue one. I think they all pretty much work the same. I don't notice much of a difference. I put on a cotton ball. I wipe over my skin. I especially love this for the eye area. I wear contacts, so morning and night. Whether I wear makeup or not, my eyes are crusty. When I feel like my skin really doesn't have any more makeup on it, then I go in with my Origins Original Skin Cleansing Makeup Removing Gel. This is, maybe you've seen it on YouTube. I think I saw it one time in passing, but it's basically a clear gel, and you just rub it on your face. Kind of like an oily, jelly consistency. Next, here comes the fun part. Get a little water. And it starts turning into like a milk. Some people say milky cleanser. I don't agree with that. I think it just kind of turns into like an emulsion more than like a cleanser. Like it doesn't start cleaning any differently. With my favorite cleanser, I use this one pretty much every day. It is the L'Oreal Pure Clay Cleanser, and the charcoal one that is Detox and Brightening. I'm going to use the silicone head to wash my face first, just because I only need a gentle clean for now, because I will be doing physical exfoliation later on in my routine. And I just rub it into my skin. Alright, and then I just put this on speed 1. So, now that I have cleansed my skin thoroughly, I'm going to switch brush head to the exfoliating brush head, and I'm going to dry brush my face. Actually, this brush head is a little damp, which is perfectly fine, but I'm just not going to add any cleanser or product or any extra water to my face. I'm going to put it on the second level and just dry brush my face in upward strokes. One thing is to let it buff over your face. Don't press it into your skin. There's no need to do that. It needs to just be on your skin. Hold it to your skin. Don't press a brush into your skin. Don't do that. All done with my spin brush for today. That is plenty exfoliation for me, and even the oilist days that I have always end with moisture. I think this is the best last step after exfoliating, after cleansing your face, just to make sure that everything is nice and clean and that you are moisturizing a completely clean base. I always like to follow up after micellar water, especially if I'm treating acne or breakout. And here is just some apple cider vinegar and some distilled water, which I mix together and I just make a toner out of. And then I just dab this on my skin. Most of the affected areas are like right here right now, on my chin, kind of just hormonal acne. I like to use Origin's Original Skin Essence Lotion with the Dual Ferment Complex. I just take a couple drops. This is more than a couple drops, but you just need a couple drops. And I just pat it into my skin. This really does feel good. If you've never used an essence before, I do recommend it, especially if you have dry skin. My neck, all over. Now, after I have on my essence, I go in with my facial oils, which are the Morgan Miller Collagen Facial Oil and Rosehip Facial Oil. I get these at my local Riley Rose cosmetics store. If you don't have a Riley Rose near you, you can also shop on RileyRose.com. I don't know much about Morgan Miller. I honestly just got it because I like the ingredients inside, and I had nice reviews, so I bought it. And I put it on nice and thick, especially because I'm about to do a mask, a sheet mask, on top of all of this good juicy skincare. I put a sheet mask on. I love aloe ones for when I spend a lot of time in the sun, rose ones when I just want to feel girly, and then as for today, I'm going to be using the High Nutrient Mask Sheet, and this is the Avocado one. These are by It's Skin, and this is a Asian brand of some sort. I don't want to say it's Korean because I cannot read Korean. I cannot distinguish. Top of my skincare. I love doing this. I think it just makes me look so radiant the next day, and I only leave this on for 15 minutes. After all of my essences are on my face and ready to be sealed in, I'm going to use my moisturizer. This is the Origin's Original Skin Matte Moisturizer with Willowherb. And I've been loving this moisturizer. It smells super earthy, so if you're sensitive, be aware. So this is the Garnier Skin Active Ultra-Lift Anti-Wrinkle Firming Eye Cream. I've only been using it a week, so I don't really have a preference, but I would say just use an eye cream in general. Always, always, always. Never go without. I also put this like around my lips, smile lines, right here in between my eyes, and then a little bit on my forehead. So this is the end of my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any suggestions, let me know. I do have combo oily skin. I love trying new things. I love trying anything when it comes to skincare. Don't forget to leave a like if you like the video, subscribe if you like me, and I will see you in the next video. Looks so Wednesday Addams. Like, my hair's so fucking flat right now.